So I decided to try this new free image generation site out. And the images look stunning, and guess what I was made with it?
I was made with it too. Don't I look stunning? The perfect background, visuals and quality visuals. Let hand over to Coach Mira to commence with the tutorial.
Looking for stunning images with perfect backgrounds, even animated ones? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use this particular website to bring your imagination to life in just a few clicks. Let's turn your ideas into high quality visuals, fast, easy and fun.
In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a quality free site where you can generate your images and also turn them to videos. Let's dive in. All you have to go to is to go to your Chrome browser or your Google browser. Just type aistudio.google.com. Just search this. All right, so let's dive in. So you select the first one. So the interface will be like this. This is how the interface will be like. The next thing to do is to, let me maximize this so that you'll see this very well, is to select this option, generate media. So these are the free motion videos which you can use for your own videos as well. So what we are going to use now is this. Select this new imagine. Select the new imagine. This is where you type in your prompt. All right, let me type in this: a pizza 3D animation of a beautiful dark skinned toddler on an outfit on a beautiful short flare outfit with a luxury white sneakers. She is wearing a big rounded transparent glasses and smiling. The background should be beautiful. Background should be beautiful and magical. All right, so this is where you hit the search button, and lest I forget, this is where you change your aspect ratio. Is either you change it to 16:9 or 9:16, or just choose the aspect ratio that will work for you. So this is it. Can you see the quality of the image? So after this, let me maximize it so that you see it properly. Can you see how beautiful it is? It looks so real. So this is where you download it. You download it here. So if I'm to turn it to 16:9, all right, if I want to generate another one, all I have to do is to still select the same thing, the same prompt. You still go back here, generate. Okay, you go to the imaging and type the same prompt. Okay, a beautiful dark skin toddler holding, let me use another prompt, playing a guitar, and she's on a beautiful white t-shirt, and an inscription is boldly written on it with a playful colored font, and she's wearing a luxury straight fitted jean skirt that reaches her knee, and a luxury white sneakers, and she's putting on white transparent rounded glasses. She's smiling. The background should be magical. All right, so after this we'll go to another prompt. Should be magical. Okay, so let's, oh my goodness, I made it. Please don't make this mistake before generating any image of your choice. If you're all right, so this is her. This is how she looks like. It's supposed to be a pizza All right, so just take your time. Just take your time, and please, before you use this, select your aspect ratio. Select your aspect ratio. Okay, so that is it. Nice. Let's type another prompt. Okay, let's type another prompt. And the good thing of this is that you can generate your best image here, all right, and also create and control perform music in the moment, and also create clips and animate images using generative image. And also it has a Gemini speech generation. This is where you generate your text to speech. Okay, and image generation. Okay, explore multimodal native image generation. So these are the features. Let's try this out. All right, the second one I want to use is, okay, let's retry our prompt. Remember, before using this, go to just by the right hand side, you see the aspect ratio that is being displayed here. So please select your aspect ratio. I'll be using 16:9 aspect ratio, and here I will type in my prompt. Okay, so select imaging. This imaging is where you type in your prompt. A pizza 3D animation of a beautiful smiling toddler holding a guitar, playing a guitar, right? Simply playing a guitar. Playing a guitar. She's a beautiful dark skin. I love working with dark skin because I'm proud of my skin. I'm also a dark skin. That doesn't mean that I shouldn't generate others. Alright, so I love dark skin. It is beautiful and unique. Okay, so she's playing a guitar, and okay, let me describe her features first. She's wearing a beautiful mini flare gown, and a white luxury sneakers. She's putting on a transparent rounded glasses, and also her hair is voluminous afro dark hair. Okay, then the environment, the background should be magical. All right, so let's hit it here. This is where you select the search bar. Remember, this is where I already set this to. So this is the image that it gave me. Here's the image it gave me. Alright, so one thing I love about this is that the quality is so beautiful. Like, the quality is really mind-blowing. And the good thing about this is that it's totally free. So let's try and animate it. Alright, so let's animate. We'll select this option. Then maximize it. So this is where you animate it. Display resolution view. This is where you animate it. Alright, generate. African man in his traditional outfit. Okay, let's just. So this is the image it gave me. It can absolutely generate any image of your choice, depending on what you really want. Okay. Can generate any image of your choice. So if you want it to be on landscape, all you have to do is to select this option. Okay, so okay, then if you want it to be in 16:9 aspect ratio, you still take the same procedure. Alright, so I'm gonna generate another pen. So let's come over here and generate another image. Pizza style animation of a beautiful rabbit around transparent glasses, smiling with birds and other beautiful animal. Okay, beautiful white rabbit. Rabbit in a magical background. So let's hit. So this is our image. Can you see how it is? It looks so beautiful. The quality of this image is top notch. Imagine animating this. How the outcome will look like. So all you have to do is to download it here. This is where you download your image. Okay. So if you want to still generate more, you can come over here and edit your prompt. Okay. Alright, so this is the prompt I wrote. I said generate a pizza 3D animation of a dark skinned lady in her late 20s. She's in a beautiful voluminous large dark afro. Her eyes is beautiful. She's in a beautiful setup podcast studio with a magical inscription on the wall. Okay, and the transparent rounded glasses on a colored black t-shirt with a golden 3D test. Her two hairs is on the desk and she's smiling. Alright, I'm supposed to add she's smiling. It sets up professional podcast is right in front of her and facing her direction. So this is the prompt. Alright, so let's check where our aspect ratio is before generating. It is very important to check your aspect ratio. Right. Okay, so let's hit generate and see the outcome. Okay, so this is her. This is the lady. Okay, this looks beautiful. So after that, you download. You can see go so much as. Okay, so this is her. She's almost looking like this cartoon animation character. If you can recall her, you know her name. Alright, so this is her. So the next thing to do, I'll scroll down here. So this is my prompt. I'll scroll down here and go back to this. Okay, it's already at 16:9. For you to turn it back, just select here and turn it to 16:9 for long videos. Okay, so it has generated in long videos. So she's the same character. Can you see the background? One thing I love about this site is that the background is a good one, the quality is top notch, and the environment, it looks so real, just like cartoon video. If you are using this for your cartoon, I'm telling you that your audience will love this. Just select here, tap on it like this and download. This is where you download it. Alright, so the next thing to do is let's check and see if it is gonna animate. Okay, let's check if it's gonna animate. What to do is to still select this generate media and select this template. Most of this I'll select it. Then one thing I want to tell you is this: if your video duration is at 8 seconds, it might not work. Yes, it might not work. So you have to reduce this to 5 seconds. Right, so this is where you type in the negative prompt: no blurry videos and no distorted videos. All right, so if you have any negative prompt I don't want, you can still type it in there. All right, so before that, so here is where you upload your image. Okay, you select here and these are the options. If you want to record yourself and upload, fine. If you want to select from your drive, if you want to upload the image or sample media, anyone. So I'll be uploading my image, the image we just generated now. So this is it, and this is where you type in your prompt. All right, so I'll edit the prompt and tell it to make my character talk and make gestures. All right, make hand gestures. All right, so let's hit let's hit. Okay, so most times it used to have network issues, so you have to be very careful. All right, so once you try it the first time and it doesn't work, you keep on trying. All right, when I did, I created. Okay, so if you want to make yours, you have to have patience. Most times it can actually misbehave. The network can be glitching. All right, so keep on trying.
And that is how you create amazing customized images and even animate them using this website. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more smart creative tools. Got questions? Drop them in the comment section. And don't forget that I'll be dropping most of my prompts in my Telegram channel. If you want to join, use the description below. See you next time. Bye.